So, hey, good morning. This is Derek Demore with Futures Demore and Futures Networks Live, and we're gonna try something new this morning. I got figured out on Ninja a way to put all three of the charts up together and do the OB so that it can all be on one. And every day I'll put the entries and the stops as long as we're out by the time I'm doing the actual video. But I think it's kind of cool, and it gives you an idea of what's going on. So I'll explain what I did, why I did it, and we can kind of see how it goes going forward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 2-to-1 ratio, meaning, for instance, a gain of 10 and a loss of 5, or on the MNQ, a gain of 24, a loss of 12, something like that, so that I've been successful lately in getting 2 out of 3 all going the same direction. Now I might change that in the future, but right now I'm going to keep things in the same direction. Ironically, today our collaboration was saying to go long, last minute switch on our signals. We had dojis. These two looked long, both the MES over here and the MNQ. So it's MES top, MNQ middle,
Stop filled.
M2K bottom. They both looked in this situation, they both look long to me, and the M2K, the Russell, looks short. But I decided to go long. I was going to go short. I had a limit order set to get in on the Russell short. Now that would have been sweet because I would have won 2 out of 3 trades. But I said, okay, I'm going to stick with the same direction on all 3 because I've been getting at least 2 out of 3 or 3 out of 3 right. So with a 1-to-2 ratio, that means even if I only get 1 right, I'm pretty close to breaking even, which is what happened today. So had some, got in, obviously on the MES, if you want to kind of look at this, got in at 40, 80, 175 and got stopped out. I did an 8-4. So my fill was way up here at 80, 89, 50, but we didn't hit it today. So looks like I actually got stopped out a little early, but I would have been stopped out either way. So I'm glad where the stop out got. So we'll just call it a loss of 4 on that. There was a little slippage and then got stopped out for 5. I did a 10-5 on the Russell, and I did a 24-12 on the NAS. I have to adjust these so that like let's say that I go 8-4 on the MES and an 8-4 on the M2K, then I have to adjust it so that the points per contract work out where the money's all about the same, because the NAS is $2 on the micro and $20 a point, whereas the MES and the Russell are $5 on the micros and 50 on the minis. So anyway, that's kind of a recap of what happened real quick. And let's go look at the dailies and kind of see what happened, because I don't even know what happened yesterday, where we hit, and then today where the end of day could be. So it's kind of cool here on Ninja. I just did a summary trade performance, and you can see that I netted $5 on OB, even though I lost 2 of the 3 trades. So you can kind of take a snapshot of this. If you want to look, it's really cool. You go into tools and pull up trade performance, and you can kind of dial down. There was 6 trades that I did, and I was only, percentage profit was only 33%, and yet I actually made money. So that's, I think, what it's all about. And I'm going to explain this to our group later. Pretty cool. All right. Sorry about that. So here's what the MES did. Did not think it was going to stay up here. I really had just looking at the charts yesterday when I did this yesterday morning, just had a feeling. I mean, I guess, it didn't break the all-time high, which I didn't think it would, but I would draw way back to this spot was my number 1 pick, and it just stayed right there. It was like an inside day where it didn't break the all-time high, and then right when it broke it just launched. So now are we going to do a kind of a retracement today? I think so. I'm going to come down here and let's see, right here, and then maybe right at the 10-day. 10 day. All right. So we'll see what happens. It was way off on that one. So I'm probably going to be off on all of them. So let's see. So this chart looks identical, where it actually did the same as the MES did, but I had this one looking like it was going to launch up or way down here, and it just stayed right in the middle. So kind of missed that one too today. All right, that's not giving a much of a room, huh? It's kind of right there. So that's what I see today in the NAS. So we'll find out. Well, again, 1 out of 3 today, or from last night. I actually hit this one, so got that one right. It came almost all the way down to my my projection, and then pulled back. This one's an inside, so this could go to right here and then pull back a little. So I'm going to say if it's up, for some reason this turns around, we'll finish right there. And if not, then we're going to finish right in this area. All right. Well, hey, we're Monday, Crudele, and the group is awesome. Come and check us out, ask questions. We're learning how to be more profitable traders. I like my new opening bell style. So we will see if I'm going to split directions on some of them, depending on how it looks to me. That may be something I decide to do, or just go triple, all the same and just see how it goes over time. I might try a couple different ways. So this is exciting. I'm really excited to be a part of Futures to More, Futures Networks Live, and helping everybody make positive points for breakfast and to actually become profitable traders. So please join us, and looking forward to Crudele on Monday, April 12th at around 11 Eastern. All right. Have a great day. Thanks for being with us.